What is going on, everybody? Techthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Nubia Red Magic 3 against the Xiaomi Mi 9. Both of these phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, 8GB of RAM versus 6, a close to stock version of Android versus a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Nubia Red Magic 3. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 9. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Xiaomi Mi 9 wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Red Magic 3 wins by 10 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mi 9 won by 1 point. However, in round 2, the Red Magic 3 won by a massive 10 points. As for the price difference, well, it is about £40 between the two, depending on where you buy the Mi 9 from, and the Red Magic 3 is probably a better phone overall in terms of specs, as it has a bigger battery, 90Hz display, headphone jack, stereo speakers, but the software is a bit lacking, and that's where probably the Mi 9 is better, as it gets software updates continuously. It probably has a better camera, and in general it is a very good phone. So that does it for this speed test comparison. Will you be buying the Red Magic 3? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.